Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used T32 Transporter Sportline. This example features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 204 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the stylish Ravenna Blue metallic paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and this Sportline features an enhanced front bumper complete with a red contrast stripe. Across all four wheels we'll find the 18-inch Sportline alloy wheels coming in a gloss black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a rear roof spoiler as well as a tailgate with a heated rear window. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll find a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. This Sportline has also been equipped with a lockable and removable tow bar, perfect for all your towing applications. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, it's not what you might expect to find, as we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench finished in a lovely leatherette trim. This bench features some under-seat storage as well as a lovely carpet-lined rear interior. There's also an LED interior spotlight that can be controlled with switches, and the rear seat can be folded flat with a comfort mattress providing a 2-berth sleeping area. Up in the cab area we'll find some new Wave bespoke bucket seats finished in a leather and Alcantara fabric. These feature some lovely yellow contrast stitching and redeem their original heated function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some climate controls, included is climatic air conditioning, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, and this is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Sportline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.